Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover your Xbox account from your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store. And now simply search for Xbox right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the first application that pops up, download and install it, and click on open. Now, just click on sign in and it's going to go ahead and ask you to continue. Just continue and it's going to bring up a pop-up window, and this is where it's going to allow you to sign in. However, we want to recover, so simply tap on forgot your username if you don't remember your email or phone number or your username right over here. But if you do remember it, just go ahead and enter your email and click on next, and there's going to be a forgot your password tab. So when you click on forgot your password, it's going to take you to a different page just like this. And what it's going to ask you is it's going to ask you to go ahead and enter your email or phone number. And once you go ahead and enter that, it is going to send you a code to that email account. And then finally, all you need to do is just re-enter that code back into this application, and it will allow you to create a new password. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you